think it's quite interesting that if you look at the 5-year number, your outperformance is actually half of your absolute performance. So you've delivered almost 10% of performance on an absolute level, but the outperformance has been around 5%. So you've added an immense amount of alpha to the portfolio. I do want to come back to your 1-year number. That's an exceptional result. You've delivered 15% above your benchmark. It looks like quite an outsized number. Can you maybe unpack what's driven that performance? Has it been as a result of one single stock or one single sector performing, or is there a different story there?
Yeah, thanks, Rushil. So, as we sort of said in the introduction around the process and philosophy, this prudent approach is that we're not trying to take a sort of a top-down view and embed sort of an expectation for a certain sector or macro variable that will drive the prospective returns. Instead, we seek to pick stocks within sectors and build a diversified portfolio of ideas. And so what's shown on screen here is on the left is the contribution, the positive contribution, the top 10 sectors that have contributed to the last 12 months active returns. And on the right are the actual top 10 securities. And I think what's pleasing to note here is that there's, yes, certain stocks like Textainer and MTN have delivered more than the others, but it's the fact that we've generated outperformance across a broad range of sectors. And so it wasn't that we got it lucky, so to speak, and sort of had one key driver of performance. Instead, it's been this kind of incremental addition of alpha across the whole market. We often use, and it's quite cliche, we often use the analogy of cricket and sort of waiting for, trying to take the easy singles, accumulate runs that way, and wait for the bad deliveries, and be willing to sort of take more risk when the opportunity or odds are in your favor. And last year, as we highlighted in previous webinars, we saw exceptional opportunities. We were spoiled for choice, in actual fact. And I don't think clients quite appreciate the quantum of outperformance. So, to deliver this sort of 15% alpha is certainly not the norm, but it does talk to the degree of pessimism that was priced into some of the South African equities last year, and our willingness to actually step up and take some active risk.